gonna be making some buttermilk biscuits. These came out so delicious. They're so good. I was eating about 4 or 5 of them right after they came out of the oven. As always, all the ingredients and everything you're gonna need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. In a large bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and whisk it all together. And then you're gonna need a pastry blender or some knives or a fork. Add in your butter to this and blend it all together. You can also feel it with your hands to see how well the butter is incorporated. And then add in your buttermilk to this, and with the spatula combine it all well. Once it comes together, lightly flour a surface, and we're going to pour our dough onto there. Gently knead it a few times until it starts to cling together. Once it's well incorporated, again lightly flour your surface, and we're going to roll out this dough. Once you get your desired thickness, get a biscuit cutter, a cookie cutter, or anything you have, and start cutting out some biscuits. I'm using a 3-inch circle. You can use anything larger or smaller if you like. And then place these on a sheet pan with parchment paper. Bake them at 425 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. And here are the biscuits. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to suggest something else, leave it in the comments down below. If you enjoy my videos and want to stay up to date with my recipes, hit the subscribe button down below as well. If you want to see pictures of these biscuits and everything I make, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All those links are down below. And until next time, stay sweet.